Good morning! I'm in my car, yes, and this is because the next few videos are not going to be done at our house. I'm helping to renovate and redecorate my parents' basement. So to keep up with some fun and pretty dramatic transformations, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. My first stop right now is to Sherwin to pick up some paint. And it's not my usual neutrals. Let's go.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness.
This is one of the rooms I'll be redoing. Well, with the help of my mom and my sister. And the brief I was given sounds a little impossible. Here it is. This room should be light but dark, kind of moody. Clean, uncluttered, minimal, but totally vintage. Neutral, but colorful. Feminine, but not old lady. So pretty much everything I just said are opposites. But I'm Anna, I can do this. So in this room, everything's going to change. Well, the ceiling will stay, maybe a couple ceiling tiles will get fixed up, and the carpet's going to stay. But everything else is going to get redone. It's either going to get painted or somehow just completely redone into a different color, different feel, different vibe, and everything's being done on a budget. Like I'm talking shoestring budget. So let's see what we can pull off. This is the room that I picked up the paint for from Sherwin, and you're gonna have to see these two colors. I didn't pick them, my sister did. And I wanna know what you think.
I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap.
Day 2 of painting. The darker paint's all done, and now we have to focus on this one wall, which is going to be the lighter pink. My mom's already primed it, and she even steam cleaned the carpet, which I was planning on doing today, but she did that for me. So I get to focus on the trim and the doors. The entrance door is brown, and that's not staying brown, but I'm going to just kind of tie in all the trim to be the same color. So right now the trim, the door, the other door, and the baseboard trim are all different colors, and that's just not going to do. So that's my plan for today.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
The work on the bedroom, the actual room, is done. The walls have been painted, trim's done, and the doors are all painted. And the carpet's been cleaned. So that work part is done. And a king bed has been brought in here. So, I don't know, I guess that's the bedroom work part is done. So now I get to start the fun part. I have my little list here. We are going to paint and completely redo all the furniture. Like the bedroom furniture, there's a dresser and 2 nightstands. The brown really just sucks the energy out of the room. So that is gone. So I'm gonna completely redo those. That's gonna be great. And we're making a headboard. We have a headboard, it just doesn't match anything, and I don't know, I wanna make it cuter. So I'm making a headboard. we're doing wall art. There's quite a few pieces of wall art. Some of it just needs a little zhuzhing and some of it needs a complete DIY makeover. So there's that. We need a little bit of a curtain on a window right there. We want some privacy in here, but we want to let the light in. So there's gonna be a little bit of a cute curtain project. And then there's the styling. There's bedding and then just like the night tables, the dresser, just making all that look good. So that's quite a bit of work, and that means more videos. So if you don't want to miss any of those videos, remember to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you know when the videos drop. And of course, you can leave me a comment and let me know what you think about the progress and the fact that I'm actually using color. I'll see you soon with another project.